Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English online class. In the last class, we discussed about hard words, meanings, and opposites. In which lesson? Yes, very good, children. Rohini's wisdom's lesson. Today, we are going to discuss about the question and answers. Previous class, we already finished the first question and also second question and answers. Okay, now see the third question. How long did the poor man remain in water? How long did the poor man remain in water? Poor man ఆ వాటర్లో ఎంతసేపు ఉన్నాడు? See the answer. The poor man remained in the water till the sun rose. The poor man remained in the water till the sun rose. Sun rose అయ్యే వారికి అక్కడే ఉన్నాడు. ఎక్కడున్నాడు? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్, వాటర్లోనే ఉన్నాడు. అగైన్ సీనానా, హౌ లాంగ్ డిడ్ ద పూర్ మ్యాన్ రిమైన్ ఇన్ వాటర్? The poor man remained in the water till the sun rose. This is the third question. We already finished the second question and answers. Leave one line and write the third question and answer. Now see the fourth question. What did Rohini decided to do? What did Rohini decided to do? Rohini ఏం చేయాలనుకుంది? Yes, Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. Why? Because the merchant cheated her father, no, Rohini's father, no. That's why Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. See again. Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. What did Rohini decided to do? Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. Teach him a lesson. After completing the fourth answer, leave one line and continue the fifth question. What did the merchant feel? What did the merchant feel? Merchant ఏమని ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు? The merchant realized how unfair he had been. The merchant realized how unfair he had been. He felt quite ashamed of himself. He felt quite ashamed of himself. So children, the merchant realized how unfair he had been. He felt quite ashamed of himself. ఏమైంది తనకి? తను చేసింది రాంగ్ అనిపించి షేమ్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు. ఎవరు షేమ్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు హియర్? ఎస్, మర్చెంట్. సీ ద క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ అగైన్. వాట్ డిడ్ ద మర్చెంట్ ఫీల్? వాట్ డిడ్ ద మర్చెంట్ ఫీల్? ద మర్చెంట్ రియలైజ్ హౌ అన్ఫేర్ హీ హ్యాడ్ బీన్. Realized how unfair he had been. He felt quite ashamed of himself. Quite ashamed of himself. Open your textbook, page number 11. In semester 2, 3B book is there, no? Yes, that book open, page number 11. See here, first Roman. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. The man wanted the gold coins as he was greedy, rich, poor. The man wanted the gold coins as he was. Man gold coins కావాలనుకున్నాడు. As he was greedy man, rich man, poor man? చెప్పండి. గోల్డ్ కావాలి అని అనుకున్న అతను ఎవరు? పూర్ మ్యాన్. సో టిక్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, పూర్ మ్యాన్. Rohini was foolish, clever, lazy. See, Rohini was foolish, clever, lazy. Rohini was clever. So tick here. Next, see bit. When the poor man came to take the reward, the merchant was surprised, happy, sad. When the poor man came to take the reward, the merchant was surprised. The merchant was surprised. Children, I am telling tick the correct answers again. The man wanted the gold coins as he was యాజ్ హీ వాస్ పూర్. అతను పూర్ కాబట్టి గోల్డ్ కాయిన్స్ కావాలి అని అనుకున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ బి బిట్. రోహిణి వాస్ క్లవర్. రోహిణి వాస్ క్లవర్. రోహిణి ఎలాంటిది? చాలా తెలివైనటువంటి అమ్మాయి. సి బిట్. వెన్ ద పూర్ మ్యాన్ came to take the reward, the merchant was, how the merchant was feel? Merchant was surprised. When the poor man came to take the reward, the merchant was surprised. How the merchant was surprised? Now see the second Roman. Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. There was a poor man who dashed outside the city with his daughter. There was a poor man who dashed outside the city with his daughter. ఎక్కడ ఉంటున్నాడు? అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉంటున్నారు. Who lived. Write the spelling here. Lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. There was a poor man who lived outside the city with his daughter. Next, B1. The poor man went to the river and dashed knee deep in the water. ఏం చేశాడు? వాటర్లో చూడండి, ఇక్కడ పిక్చర్లో నిల్చున్నాడు. సో వాట్ we call that? Stood. What is the spelling of stood? S-T-O-O-D. Stood. Okay. See again. The poor man went to the river and stood knee deep in the water. Knee deep in the water. Next, see bit. The merchant did not dash to part with so much money. The merchant did not dash to part with so much money. What we have to write here? Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. The debit. Rohini's father had been dashed by the greedy merchant. Rohini's father has been dashed by the greedy merchant. Cheated by the greedy merchant. Right here the spelling cheated. C-H-E-A-T-E-D. Cheated. Rohini's father had been cheated by the greedy merchant. Had been cheated by the greedy merchant. Next, E-bit. The merchant dash how unfair he had been. The merchant dash how unfair he had been. Realized. Write the spelling here. Realized. R-E-A-L-I-S-E-D. Realized. Okay now. See at first onwards. There was a poor man who dashed outside the city with his daughter. Lived outside the city with his daughter. Next, B1. The poor man went to the river and stood knee deep in the water. The poor man went to the river and stood knee deep in the water. C-bit. The merchant did not dash to part with so much money. The merchant did not wish to pay with so much money. తను చాలా మనీ ఇవ్వాలి అని అనుకోలేదు. Rohini's father had been cheated by the greedy merchant. Rohini's father had been cheated by the greedy merchant. The merchant realized how unfair he had been. The merchant realized how unfair he had been. Okay, children? Okay. Now, see the fourth Roman. See the fourth Roman. Make sentences using the following words. Here we have to write the sentences by using these words. By using these words, we have to write the sentences. What is the first word? Accept. Accept. Here we have to write the sentences. See. The poor man decided to accept the merchant offer. యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశాడు కదా మర్చెంట్ ఆఫర్ని. ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి నాన్న. ద పూర్ మ్యాన్ డిసైడెడ్, DCIDED, decided to accept, ACCEPT, accept the merchant's offer. Merchant, write the spelling here, merchant, MERCHANTS, merchant's offer, OFFER, offer. Okay na, see nana, I get. The poor man decided to accept the merchant's offer. Accept is there in the sentences or not there? Yes, here the accept is there. These are the own sentences. Accept. The poor man decided to accept the merchant's offer. Laugh. Next you see the laugh. The merchant laughed at the poor man. Is here. The merchant, THE, the merchant, 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 laughed, LAUGHED, laughed at the poor man. At the poor man, right here spelling it, AT, the, 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 poor, POOR, poor man. Poor man వచ్చినప్పుడు తను నవ్వాడు కదా, that sentence, yes, this is. Okay, laughed. The merchant laughed at the poor man. Surprise. What is this? Surprise. I was surprised to see my birthday gift. See Nana, I was surprised to see my birthday gift. ఏదైనా sentences రాయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ, own sentences. I was surprised, SURPRISE, surprise, to see my birthday gift, BIRTHDAY, birthday gift, GIFT, gift. Okay na? See, surprise. I was surprised to see my birthday gift. Next, what is the next sentences we have to write, Nana? Cheat. What is this? Cheat. The poor man had been cheated by the greedy merchant. Write that sentences here. Okay na? See, the poor man, THE, the, poor, POOR, poor man, had been cheated, CHEATED, cheated by the greedy merchant, GREEDY, greedy. Here I am writing merchant spelling, MERCHANT, merchant. The poor man had been cheated by the greedy merchant. See, once again I am repeating at first onwards. Accept. The poor man decided to accept the merchant's offer. Decided to accept the merchant's offer. Laugh. The merchant laughed at the poor man. At the poor man. Surprise. I was surprised to see my birthday gift. బర్త్డే గిఫ్ట్ చూసినప్పుడు ఎలా అయ్యాడంట, ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు? సర్ప్రైజ్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు. ఐ వాజ్ సర్ప్రైజ్ టు సీ మై బర్త్డే గిఫ్ట్. చీట్. ద పూర్ మ్యాన్ హ్యాడ్ బీన్ చీటెడ్ బై ద గ్రీడీ మర్చెంట్. చీట్. ద పూర్ మ్యాన్ హ్యాడ్ బీన్ చీటెడ్ బై ద గ్రీడీ మర్చెంట్. Okay? Write with pencil in your textbook. Children, master should complete your work and send to my WhatsApp number. Otherwise, there is no attendance for you. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.